Hello students, you all are welcome in second session of 2020. Happy New Year everybody. Students, let's start chapter number 10, motion and measurement of distance. So let's we start the first term, that is transport. Student, you must know the transportation system: bus, car, auto rickshaw, buses, plane that you can see. You can also see the railways, steamers. You see the mode of transport. The mode of transport: by bicycle, by van, by railways, by steamer, by air, that is plane, by bus. How people used to travel in past. Students, let's we see. Dear student, let's we see the story of transport. Before every other form of transportations, humans travels on foot. You see, people used to walk large distances and carry goods on their back. Here you see boat which is made from a hollow tree trunk, right? This boat material which is made up of wood material from tree. You see in this picture, people use this bamboo, set of bamboo, and make flat surface, that device, moving device, which floats on the surface of water. They used to carry luggage or small that materials from one place to other place. Here crocodiles are there, you see, in past, right? Human beings learn to use animals such as donkeys, horses and camels for their transportation. Here in this picture you see that lady, they carry the travel on the back of that camels, correct? Student, you see this picture, wheel. A wheel was invented in 3500 BC, that is 5500 years ago. The first wheel was made from wood. Wheels were attached to carts and chariots. Here you see, it is the major invention in history of transportation. What is wheel? Now you can see the transportation become easy and comfortable by the invention of wheel. They made wheel cart. They made cart, bullock cart, right? They used animal, now they used animal as well as wheel. So their journey become easy and comfortable. Then people, they carry the luggage, a huge luggage they transport through wheel cart. Now here people, they thought, first of all they prepared a flat surface device which floats on the water, but it was not so speedy. So they thought that these fish, they swim easily in the water, and their shape, its shape is streamline shape, right? So they thought and implement, they just prepared a boat which is streamline shape like a fish. So the speed of the boat become very easy and comfortable, and their transportation become fast. Then you see steam engine was invented. Here this is the device of steam engine, design of steam engine. You see, first of all this coal is there which is used as a fuel. Then water tank is there, water becomes boiled, and then after boiling it is converted into steam, and they prepare engine. So what they prepare? They prepared steam engine. So students, steam powered engine train was developed. You see here steam engine. Now, just now we have seen the uh, water transportation. Then they people thought about the air transportations. So Wright brothers they invented and flew the first airplane in 1903. Here Wright brothers they invented. Here you see the chart of advancement in technology. Modern methods of transportations. Now, what are the advantages of modern method of transportation? So, our travel time decrease because speed is increased. Long distance travel possible and goods could be carried to large distances so comfortably, so easily. Okay, so mind well this graph. Students, still in some state and some areas, still people they carry luggage and use animals. Now you can see they carry the luggage cylinders and big luggages still they use by animals. Here also you can see they use camel in desert areas where remote areas they carry the luggage and a grain of that bags they carry using cart and animals. Then people use bicycles to travel from one place to other place. Students use bicycle to go to school from one place to other place. Children they can move bicycle from one place to other place, right? So technology is going to be now advanced. We use car, latest cars having a tremendous speed, comfortable and very safely. These you can see the tricycle as instead of that auto rickshaw in that south area, south state, they still use this bicycle to carry a person from one place to other place. Now you can see the auto rickshaw and now e-rickshaw will come. Why e-rickshaw will come? What is the advantage of e-rickshaw and that tricycle? So it just reduce the pollutions, right? Nowadays the pollution problem it is on a tremendous position. So to reduce the pollution, e-rickshaw is very advantageous for us. It also reduces the noise pollution, right? Because no noise will come from that e-rickshaw and no pollution arises in the atmosphere. Now you can see the bus. But now in buses, sleeper buses is there. So people can easily travel for a long distance by comfortable mode. By sleeping they can travel, right? Then student electric buses will come. So by using of these electrical buses, we can reduction in pollution and fuel cost, and we can also control the noise pollutions. So nowadays e-bike will come, e-car will come, automatic car will come by using electricity. Trucks for goods transportation, trains which can carry thousands of people at a time for good transportation. Here you can find the goods train also. They can carry the trucks, they can carry the goods, luggage in a short time. Student, here you can see luxurious train, right? So बारात भी ले जा सकते हैं आप ट्रेन में, right? And you can make a party in train also. You can make a conference in this such type of luxurious train. We can also think about the metros railway, okay, that you can find in big metropolitan cities in Delhi, in Calcutta. So here the question is that which is the first city in India to have a metro train? Nowadays the project is launched bullet train. It is from Ahmedabad to Mumbai. The speed of that bullet train will be 320 km per hour. Okay. So 3 hours time will be there. So this project is going on. Now air travel, it is faster, safer and reduces the traffic on roads, right? As you can see the cable cars, right, in Saputara, in Pavagadh, right, in Mount Abu, such a hilly area is there, so you can travel, you can visualize, you can enjoy the hilly areas by traveling in a cable cars. That also you have experienced, students. This is multi-purpose ship, right? In this ship, everything's are there, right? Here, you see three floor, that ship having 3 floor. This ship having that hotels, playground, hard courts, and everything is there. So multi facilities are there in these steamers, which is very useful for water traveling. In our advanced technology, we can launch satellites by spacecraft, by space shuttle, as you can see in the pictures. Student, you must know this device, drones delivering your packages, right? This drone, they can deliver your package from one place to another place. Good device for transformation from one place to other place. So students, in our first session, we have seen the mode of transportation, journey of transportation. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.